Hello friends, I'm doing good. I'm come back with new topics. Today I'll show you how you can update your WordPress. So if you want to update your WordPress, you should log in your WordPress panel if you use a WordPress dev. Okay, so alright, so if you want to update, then you should go like update page. If you have not updated like WordPress, then here in showing some notification the updated WordPress. Also here in showing like get updated WordPress. All right, so if you want to update, then you just click here updates. Here in showing like update to version 6.6 and my current WordPress version 6.5.5. All right, and if you see like plugin and theme update, here in showing who is plugin and who is themes need to update, here will showing. But right now my theme and plugin everything updated, so just need to update like WordPress. All right, so I just click to here update to version 6.6.1. all right, so I'll just click here, just wait a few moments, then it will be updated. Now just downloading file. Okay, currently this updated file is not working because problem is my directory permission issue in my computer, because I am using localhost and my Mac is not permitted to do anything, or I mean I can't do anything actually need to permission. So now I show you manually how you can do it. Like, so WordPress, if you use a cPanel user and other thing, it will be no problem. You can do also here in showing the updated incorrect because some file could not copy it. Usually the incident and the permission. All right, this is the permission issue. So now I will just download the latest version. File is downloading. Yeah. Now just I copy all files except WP content, except config file. Alright, then I just go to download file, just WP. This is my WordPress directory. I just paste here. Now I just replace, apply to all. Wait few moments. Now I just click here updates. Yes, now it's not showing to update, and my current version 6.6.1. So now I'm using the latest version. That's it, and it is easy. And let me know if you have any query and anything else. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.